lovely dance friends, Rob and Dyanick here to teach you the dance I Sold My Soul. It goes to the song Suit and Tie. This is a pretty easy beginner level dance. The song and dance are cute, so I would say it's something anyone would like to dance to. We can add a turn for more experienced dancers. Okay, we'll get started. It's a 32 count, 4-wall dance. Counterclockwise rotation around the room, and there is one easy restart when we get to wall 4. So wall 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to start the dance to 8 counts and then start it again. All right, let's start with our weight on our left foot. We're going to do right heel step in place, left heel step. You're going to walk right, left, and do heel splits out, in. Okay, just fanning those heels out and back in. Okay, we're going to do that again. Right heel step, left heel step, walk, walk, heel splits. All right, let's do it again from the top. This is the first 2 sets of 8. So, right heel step, left heel step, walk, walk, split out, in, right heel step, left heel step, walk, walk, out, in. Let's do it with counts. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, walk 5, 6, split 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, split 7, 8. Awesome. So that was the first 2 sets of 8. The third set of 8, you're going to step touch to the right, step touch to the left, and then you're going to step right together, right step. Putting your weight on that left foot. So let's do that again. Weights on the left, step, touch right, step, touch left, side together, side step. One more time with the counts. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's put it together from the top. Weights on the left, ready? Right heel step, left heel step, walk, walk, heel split, right step, left step, walk, walk, heel split, step, touch, side together, side step. Okay, so a lot of times we do side together, side touch, but we're stepping. We want to put our weight on that left foot. Now, you're going to step out to the right and hold. And then you're going to make a quarter turn to your left and hold. So you should be facing 9 o'clock. And then you're going to walk forward, right, left, and you can stomp a little if you want. And that is the end of the dance. One more time with counts. 1, hold 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's put it all together from the top. That's the whole dance. Pretty easy. So ready, right heel step, left heel step, walk, walk, heel split, right, left, walk, walk, heel split, step, touch, side together, side step, step out, hold, quarter turn, walk, 2, 3, 4. Awesome. Let's do wall 2. We'll go all the way around. So, ready, wall 2, right heel step, left heel step, walk, walk, heel splits, right, left, walk, walk, heel splits, step, touch, side together, side step, side hold, quarter turn, walk, 2, 3, 4. All right, now you're facing the back, so you're facing away from me. If you don't have it yet, go back and practice a little at wall 1. All right, your weight's on your left foot. Let's do it. Right heel step, left heel step, walk, walk, splits, right and left, walk, walk, splits, step, touch, side together, side step, side hold, quarter turn, walk, 2, 3, 4. When we get to wall 4, this is wall 4, we did 1, 2, 3, this is our wall 4. You're going to do your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, split, 7, 8. Then we're going to restart. You're going to hear the whistle there in the song, and you're going to know that the restart is coming. And also I'll call it out in the demo. Let's pretend we're at wall 4. Ready? Right heel, left heel, walk, walk, splits. Restart. Right heel, left heel, walk, walk, splits. Right, left, walk, walk, splits. Step, touch, side together, side, step, side, hold, quarter turn, walk, 2, 3, 4. All right, that's it. That's the whole dance. Now, if you like to turn, I will show you an option for turning, which makes it a little extra fun if you're a more experienced dancer. So you're going to do the same beginning. You're going to do right heel, walk, walk, heel splits, right, left, walk, heel splits, step, touch, side together, side, step, side, hold, quarter turn, turn, step. Okay, so what I did there was a full turn to my left, all right? So what I did was I did our out hold, quarter turn, and now you're going to start turning. 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 steps. I'm going to go through all 4 walls, quick run through practice. When we get to wall 4, I will do the restart. It only happens the first time you get to wall 4, okay? So let's give it a try. This will be a little quicker pace to get you ready for the song. Ready? Right heel step, left heel step, walk, walk, splits, right, left, walk, splits, step, touch, side together, side, step, side, hold, quarter turn, walk, 2, 3, 4, right, and step, left, walk, splits, right, left, walk, splits, step, touch, side together, side, step, side, hold, quarter turn, walk, 2, 3, 4, right heel step, left heel step, walk, splits, right, left, walk, splits, step, touch, right and left, then side together, side, step, side, hold, quarter turn, walk, 2, 3, 4, right, left, walk, splits, restart, right, left, walk, splits, again, right, left, walk, splits, step, touch, side together, side, step, side, hold, quarter turn, walk, 2, 3, 4. Awesome. If this tutorial helps you, please like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, post them in the comments. Try the demo with me. Thanks so much. 6, 7, 8, heel. Walk, split, heel. Walk, split, step, touch, right and left. Side together, side, step, side, hold, quarter turn. Walk, 2, 3, 4, heel. Walk, split, again. Step, touch, right and left. Side together, side, step, side, hold, quarter turn. Walk, 2, 3, 4, heel and heel. Walk, split, again, heel. Step, touch, right and left. Side together, side, step, side, hold, quarter turn. Walk, 2, 3, 4, heels. Walk, splits, restart, here. Again, heels. Step, touch, right, left. Side together, side, step, side, hold, quarter turn. Walk, 2, 3, 4, heels. Step touches. Side together, side, step, side, hold, quarter turn. Walk, 2, 3, 4, heels. Walk, split. Step touches. Side together, side, step, side, hold, quarter turn. Heels. Walk, split. Heels. Step touches. Side together, side, step, side, hold, quarter turn. 5, 6, 7, 8, heels. We're gonna do turns now. Step touches. All right, short song, but fun. Thanks for watching.